Hey, it's Hair by Ashley here, or if you want to call me Ashley Nicole. Now, I am going to put on my wig, but not take my braids off. So if you're interested in seeing how I install this wig on these box braids, then definitely keep watching. Oh, sidebar, by the way, I did get my braids done by Glamazon on Instagram. Definitely check her out. I will put her Instagram down below. Thank you guys for watching and supporting. Follow me on Instagram at @IM_Ashley Nicole. And let's see the outcome. Alright, so I'm going to take my braids down. Sorry if I'm not looking at the camera. My mirror is like right here, so this is how I'm be facing. I'm sorry. I try my best. I have one leg working right now, please. Okay, first we need to get this hair out the way. Now my braids are pretty long, so, and we want the wig to be flat. I feel like braiding it will at least pull this a little tighter, you know what I'm saying? So let's braid it. But when you braid, you need to braid down. You cannot leave any braids. You cannot start the braid from up here because you need to pull it down. Now I'm just going to braid this down today. Bam, this is it. I'm going to put the rubber band on the end. Okay, so now we have the two braids. So now the key to keeping it flat, right, where it looks like this. I hope y'all can see it. It looks like this. Okay, then I'm going to bring one side up. One side up over, and then bring this side up over, right? So it should be looking kind of, it should be feeling kind of flat back there. Like, now I'm going to take a bobby pin, and I'm just going to pin that up like that. So now we have these two left. Okay, bobby pin, want to be disrespectful. Now we're just gonna go in a circle and just bring that around and just tuck it. Bam. See, we have it flat. Now you gotta work fast before this thing come loose. Okay. Now, ooh, boom, boom. Gonna take a comb and you're gonna push back your edges. I know they're looking mad flaky. Ooh. Now, the key to this is to have a cap that matches your complexion. Go for it. Right? And if you don't, you wanna apply makeup to your cap. I wanna powder that. So y'all see? It's matching. I'm gonna put some glue on me head. Alright, don't come for me, y'all. Okay, I was just joking. And now when I put the glue, I'm gonna connect it to the cap. You know, so that's why the cap needs to be a little bit in front of your. Okay, so now you just want to go and fill in those empty spaces with some glue. When you finally put your band on, it'll definitely like hold things down better, because your braids are basically gonna like pull. Now this is for if you have dreads too. So if you have dreads, you can use the same method. And you're gonna take the blow dry and just blow dry it down. So now your wig is on and it's strong. Okay, I wanted to do some baby hairs, some dramatic baby hairs. I kind of did not want to do that on this wig, so I'm gonna do like something dramatic but not ready. This is the World of Lavish Life Fly Girl Wax Stick. Don't mind my nails, please. Okay? And I'm going to pull this hair, and I'm just going to apply that right here. Yeah, so you just gonna have. So now it's time to shave down. So this is going to be the hair that goes like this way. So I'm just going to shave that down. So I'm doing a half up, half down, but I wanted to like do like a style with it. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, I did this side of my head for my half up, half down. I still have the band on, so I'm gonna go and do this side of my head. Okay, so remember, the first step I did, if I was moving too fast, was I put the wax stick. My camera is like dying, so I am kind of moving fast because I want to get this done for y'all. I put the wax stick, right? Next, I'm going to go in with some of my edge control, my yummy edge control. Okay? And I'm just going to apply that at the root only, right? And then I'm going to spray a little bit of olive oil spray. Then use my hot comb. Ooh, and hot comb not bad. And hot comb all the other hair out the way. Then I'm going to take 2 small size rubber bands like this. Very small. Take 2 of them because, you know, 2 makes it stronger. And then I'm gonna go and put this in its own separate pony. Okay, let's see how I did. Now, the edge control is so it can be, you see how it gives it that like slickness? Ooh, you see that slickness? Y'all see that slickness? Right? And then the spray is for hold. Not spray too much, girl. Ooh. That's what happens when you spray too much. You just get it. Okay, now I'm going to take some of my concealer. Now this is how you get the part to look natural without plucking it. I'm just going to go and use a concealer that looks a little bit lighter than my complexion. And then I'm just going to go and put that in the part. Okay, so now it looks like this on the side. Now I'm going to take the band off, and this is how it looks. Okay. I'll take a wider rubber band and use that to put them all together. Now from that, I'm just going to take some hair from like right behind it where my tracks are. And I'm going to kind of hot comb that so it's like straight. Then I'm going to take a little bit of my edge control, put on my fingers, and glide it down. This is so when you're wrapping it, it looks neat and straight. So now, and just continue to shave some off, because now I'm going to take some edge control. I'm telling you, my edge control is key to your whole fire look. Okay, my edge control and my mousse that I will be using now. So now I'm going to go in with the Word of Lavish Life Fancy Foam, and this is how you're going to get your swirly edges baby here, okay? Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Now this edge control this foam will not lift up your lace. Now I like to use a comb and use my edge brush. Okay guys, so now we're up to the last steps, and as you can see, this side of my head looks a little wet and curly and defined. That's because I went in with my Word of Lavish Life No Error Gel, and I used some of my Word of Lavish Life Fancy Foam. Now the Fancy Foam is a detangler, so you can use this on your natural hair and your wig hair, and it helps detangle your curly strands. So I'm going to use it now to show you guys how to use it. So first, you can or don't have to use a spray bottle. I will be using a spray bottle to help detangle my wig, because I haven't detangled it in forever. So let's go on and detangle it. Okay, so I wet it a little bit. You don't need much. And I'm just going to take some of the Fancy Foam, and I'm just going to, this is how much I have, and I'm just going to use that to detangle the hair. And as you see, it just detangles the hair so easily. Now, if you want it to stay defined, you want to go in with your No Error Gel. And you're going to pour some on your hand, and you're just going to rub that through the hair lightly. Okay, now the No Error Gel is going to give your curls definition, shine, and still keep it feeling light. It's not a heavy gel. As you can see, I did the side already and it's dry. And look how light it is and defined. You can also purchase these edge silk wraps from Word of Lavish Life also. And this is it, you guys. Now remember, I have box braids under this wig, y'all. Can you tell? I have box braids under this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just a lot. Like, it wasn't even that hard, honestly, if my camera wasn't dying every second like it's about to die now. But I hope you guys enjoy. My baby hair's got a little bit messed up because I'm recording this outro like 3 hours later. Purchase my products, okay, because you will not regret it, sis. The edge control is life, okay? The edge control is life on natural hair too, trust me. I will have my natural hair video just to show you guys, but just send me pictures of you using the product, send me videos. I love to see you guys. I love to see you. If you take my class, definitely tag me and you doing your own hair. I want to see everything that you guys do, and I really appreciate y'all. And I know I got a pimple right here, so if you point it out, block, okay? Now it's time for bed, and I am gonna put on my Word of Lavish Life wrap strip. This also can be worn as a headband, y'all, so you can wear it like a cute headband on your hair. I just take a picture like that. So cute. I just love, love, love. I just love it. Alright, y'all. I'm going to bed, y'all. So my body don't want them to get busy. Good night.